Hi everybody, it's David from over50andthrifty.com. What I'm going to do today is show you our favorite backpack. This is Osprey, a 65 liter, Osprey Porter 65 liter. We've used this bag here on 6 trips to Europe and 1 to South Africa. And then we bought this in 2015. This one here we bought last year and took to South Africa as well. These are great bags. They have a lot of storage room in it. I'll set this off to the side for now. And what I've got here is a 30 liter. I haven't even tried yet, brand new. This is a 46 liter. I haven't tried yet. My daughter has one, but I haven't tried packing my stuff in it yet. This is brand new as well. And this one here is a brand new 65 liter. I'll be giving away, the details will be in the description below. I'll be giving this away to someone in the United States. So let's go ahead and show you some more information about these. These are nice backpacks. Everything here is stuffed in. The straps are all in here. You can cinch it down nice and close. And the best thing I like about it is when you open it, you have easy access to everything inside. As you can see, there's a lot of space in here. When we go to Europe, I usually pack for 2 weeks. Most people will see what I pack and say, there's no way you can take all that, only live with that when you travel. So I'll show you what we have. The first things I take, these are dryer sheets. You'll figure out, I'll tell you why in a second. What I usually do is I pack these in the front pocket here. Also, I take 2 trash bags with kitchen sides. That's all for laundry. So as you're traveling, if you're traveling with somebody else and they also have this bag, what we usually start off with is everybody has their own with their clothing in. And as we travel, we move our dirty clothes into one bag and keep the clean clothes in the other. We use the trash bags for that, and we use the dryer sheets to keep from a smell from your, keep from smelling your dirty clothes. So what I usually take, I did a test pack today. I got a pair of jeans, 6 shirts, a pair of shorts, and a few other things in here. Just basic necessities. Second bag here, I've got underwear, socks, and a pair of shorts. As you can see, it goes in pretty nicely. Then, I usually carry an extra pair of shoes. So I'll put those on the side, make it easier, and make it a little stiffer on the side too, so if something pressing against it. And here I've got toiletries, I've got adapters, and I've got charging cables. This right here is what I take to Europe. And as you can see, it's not a ton of stuff in here. So I'll go ahead and zip it up like I normally would for a trip to Europe. Tuck my straps in. And I'll also be comparing shortly what I take to Europe will fit in a 46 or a 30. I've never tried it in a 46 or 30, so it'll be a surprise what happens. So this here is fairly cinched down, but actually I have enough room I can actually go over here and cinch it. Nice and tight. I'll do the same with this one as well. As you can see, those shoes here add a little stiffness to it. And that's what I'll take to Europe. So you're probably wondering how the straps work. And here are the back straps. You pull them out. Those are done. And then you pull the waistband out here. If you have a really packed bag, it's best to do this prior to closing it up, because it can be a little tight. So I've got the bag here. I've got everything here. Little straps out. Okay. It's been a little while since COVID. I haven't had a chance to use this in a while, so it's going to take me a second. But it's very straightforward. Everything clips into everything. Boom, that's done. I thought it was twisted for a second. Then you're ready to go. Total your back. You put the strap around your waist. If you're fat like me, it might be a little tight. And then you grab your straps here, pull it up, you cinch it down where you want it. You have a breast strap too. And it has a whistle. So that's it. That's what I take to Europe for a 2-week trip. So you can see that a lot of stuff fits in that bag. And when you get to your location, or when you're checking your bags, you carry it to the airport, you get to the airport, you open this up, you shove all your straps in here. I'm making it more difficult than it should be. But again, it's been a while since I've used the bag. You shove everything in here. That one strap didn't want to go in. Okay, that's in there. And then here, you just tuck it in. The good thing about this is when you're on a plane or even in a train or whatever, the straps are not getting caught on different things and breaking off. So there you go. You can carry it like this if you like this. We usually carry around like this for a short little distance, just if we're going from a building to a car type thing. So that's a 65 liter. As you can see, you can put a lot in there. So I want to move to the 46 liter. But first, what I'm doing with the giveaway, you need to subscribe to our channel. And I'll show you this on the pockets. You got the one here that I put the things in. You've got this one here that you can store a lot of small things if you want to carry, or documents. You have maps and that thing. There's a lot of room in there. This one also, on the bottom, has a little thing. So if you have something wet, you can put down here, or just something small. Sometimes we'll keep our charging stuff in that for phones and things like that. We'll keep in here. Not always, but sometimes. It just depends on what we're carrying and how full the bag is. So as you can see, it's got a lot of space. So I'm going to, also there's a small compartment up top here. You can fit quite a good bit in there. You can probably fit the small bag for your charging equipment and all your cables. So, open this back up. So remember, subscribe to our channel. I'll take everything back out. And I'll try it in a 46. Let's see how this goes. I believe this is my 46. Yes, it's a 46 liter. This is the first time trying. You can see the tags are still on it. Let's see how this goes. It also has the same clamshell type opening as the other one. And you can see inside, some of the different models, depending on what year, have these little storage areas on the side to put the small things. Okay, let's see if this goes in. Yep, that goes in fine. There's my socks. There's my toiletries and stuff. Turn this sideways. If you're good at Tetris, you'll be able to pack a lot in here. And Tetris isn't sponsored for this. As you can see, this 46 doesn't hold as much, but if you're a smaller person than I am, you'll probably be okay with it. since it's pretty full, I'll clamp it on the top. Bingo, everything you need. And this is carry-on capable for most airlines. Some of the European ones may not allow it, but this is like a little small pull bag. It also has, I didn't show it on the 65, I'll show it here. Well, this one here is an older model, it does not have it. On the newer models, it has an opening for a 15-inch laptop in here. And you also have your straps are in here and in here. So you can see this bag here will work perfectly for most trips. Great for a weekend bag, even a day bag if you wanted to do a short trip somewhere. So that gives you a good idea of what you can fit in these little bags. I didn't put the trash bags or other stuff in it, but there's plenty of room for it in here. And it has the same zip things here. Now the 46 does not have the upper and lower, does not have the lower compartment. It does have an upper compartment. I'm sure that my next bag is not going to hold everything I've got here. I probably should have cleaned my shoes first because they're a little dirty, but that's okay. So that's your 46. As you can see, great bag. Okay, let's move on to the next. The 30 here. And also to enter into the thing, besides subscribing, you'll need to like this video. Let's open this up. I bought these because I thought maybe it'd be a good day pack to use. And let's see how it holds everything I have. Now I may have to pack differently if I'm going to use this bag here. And again, this one has a small compartment up top, doesn't have one on bottom. It has a zip here, so you got a couple of compartments here. So it's a small bag. It's a little bit bigger than a laptop bag. A large laptop bag, that is. Okay, so let's see what I'm taking on this trip. Okay, so far, not so good. And I do recommend packing cubes. As you can see, you can move stuff around quite easily and quickly. Okay, so this right here would be a good one for a summer trip, I think, maybe, because there's not a lot of room in it for large clothing. So I got mostly t-shirts, I got a pair of jeans in there. So that's, if I got rid of the jeans, I'd probably be okay. And then here is my socks and underwear. Let's see if it fits. Now you notice I did not put my shoes in. They would not fit. Surprisingly, I didn't think it was going to happen. But this 30 liter actually holds all my clothes I need for 2 weeks. I didn't think it would happen. This is a very small bag. Lightweight. It shows here it's carry-on size. The 46 also shows carry-on size. So either one of these will work great for carry-on. And I'm actually surprised. This 30 liter I did not think would hold all my clothes. Of course, I still need to put this in, which I was able to cinch up so I had some space there. You could possibly get away with a small bag to go with this and maybe strap it to here. I do believe there are some bags that will strap to the front of these. So that would be a great option to put your shoes if you need to, or you wear shoes and have some flip-flops or something inside if it's a summer trip. So that's what I would recommend on that. So as you can see, these are great functional bags. The ease of access, you need something, you just reach in, pull it out, and you're done. Can't beat that. And the fact that the straps tuck in, it makes it really good for flying. You don't have to worry about getting caught on anything or anything getting broken. And then you just go. And we've used this bag here. As you can see, it's got some, it shows some wear and tear on it, the back a little bit. But this one here, we went to Svalbard, which is about 800 miles from the North Pole. We went there in 2019, and we were stranded in Tromsø due to a canceled flight. And Tromsø is equal latitude as Barrow, Alaska, and it was in February. That bag there, the orange bag here, sat on the tarmac for 6 hours in sleet, snow, rain, you name it. It was covered in ice when they gave it back to us before we rebooked our flight. Nothing inside got wet. That's one thing I love about these. And as far as I was talking about earlier about not worrying about getting damaged to anything, Osprey has a lifetime warranty. Doesn't matter if you bought the bag in '74 or 2020. They will repair or replace. Excellent warranty. They are a little bit pricier than some bags, but I'm glad I spent the money. I paid full price for several of these. The one I'm giving away, the ones I just bought, and the one I bought last year, I got on sale, and I used some reward points I had with one of our affiliates. I'll have the links in below to Osprey and our other affiliates where you can buy these. The new versions are 180 for the 65 liter. The previous versions were 160. So there's a slight price increase, but I believe they've gone to a more sustainable product with using hemp and other things like that. It still has the same warranty, but it's a little bit more expensive. At Osprey, if you look at the link down below, some of these bags are still available from last year's model at very discounted prices. Now, we're talking about the giveaway. I will be giving away this exact bag here. So what you need to do to enter to win, like I mentioned before, subscribe, like this video, and comment below. And if you can name what town this is behind me, I don't know if you can see it in the video very well. I don't think you can. Let's see who can name it by just looking at it. If you've been to that town, you know where it is. I'll adjust the camera up so you have a better view of it. But put that in the comments if you know where it is. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and comment. Any comments fine. It's my first video, so it's probably not the best video you've ever seen, but it's my first video, so don't beat me up too badly. Anyway, thank you for watching, and remember, subscribe, like, and comment to be entered to win. Now, I only ship to the US. The full terms are in the description below, so check that out. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching.